Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube Live. We're here in the kitchen filming a couple of episodes for Wicked Easy Cooking. We just finished up the series on knife cuts. We did one on sharpening, we did one on how to pick out a knife, parts of a knife, and we just finished knife cuts. Here, maybe I can turn the camera and you can see. So you can see some of the knife cuts that we did and we've shown, and you'll see that posted as a video pretty soon. And we're getting ready to start one on udon noodles, fresh udon noodles. I think you're really gonna like it. And then I'm gonna show a couple of ways to prepare that. So we're gonna do that right now. You can see we've got the lights set up and the microphones, and everything's ready. Here's my dog, Boston, which you've seen in a couple of the videos, and he's resting comfortably. He's a big inspiration for us all. But I did want to make this video though because it's the first week of January, and I wanted to say Happy New Year to you all. I appreciate you as subscribers, and you really make this show what it is. And we've got a lot of good things planned for 2019. We've got some good shows planned. But as always, if you want to see something, a specific subject or topic you want us to do, please just send it to me in an email or put it in the comments section. We'd be glad to try to do that for you. All right, talk to you all soon. Bye now.